Welcome back guys, it's HelpSmart Ninja here, and today I'm going to be showing you how we can take an image and resize it as a logo in Photoshop CC 2080. Let's get straight into the video. So firstly, you want to get Photoshop and you want to actually open an image. To open an image, you have to go to File, Open, and look for the image that you want, and you can be out like this. So normally I will pick a more high pixelated image. So this is the image I've got. If you want to zoom in, you can press Ctrl and plus key to zoom in and Ctrl minus key to zoom out. So what I'm going to do now, I want to go into the Control tool. So I'm going to press, before I do that, I want to go backward and click the button, click and press OK. I'm going to go to the Control and T to open the transform tool like this. I actually want to resize this image without losing the quality. So you're going to actually go to there and you'll see this 2 hour stuff, and you want to resize it. So you just want to keep resizing it like this and then leave it like that and click the tick sign. After that, you want to go into image, go into the canvas size, and you want to change the canvas size to 800 by 800. And to do that, you want to change the inches to pixels, and you want to change it to 800 by 800, and you want to click OK. Then asks you if the new canvas is smaller than the original content. You can actually click proceed. After, you're going to take this and drag it and carry it here down. It will take a while, so just be a little mad with me if it's taking a bit long to grab it. So you have to actually grab it and take the whole core of it to carry it. So it will take some time. Right, I got the image, and this is how the image is. I placed it right here. So if you can see that I'm placing it, you see these arrow in the form of a cross sign will be there. That shows you in the center. As you can see, when I zoom in using Ctrl and the plus sign, as you can see, and if you want to actually keep the original content, what you want to do, you want to actually carry it up a bit so you can actually keep it like this. If you want a profile picture to be like this, you know, you can keep it like this. If you want it to be something like this, and you can actually scale it down if you want just to see the rest. So you know, you can scale it down or just leave it up, or you can actually bring it up more to actually showcase the content and footage. So you can actually press the button to go up as well, so you know you wouldn't hide those contents. So if that's just for you, actually press also the up and down arrow keys to scale it properly. So if you're done and finish scaling, and you want to press Ctrl and minus key to zoom out, and you think it's good enough, and just click the tick sign, and that'll be it. So pretty much it. If we take it out now, we should see it looks pretty much nice and cool. I see we're finished already. As you can see, if your content or the image has something like a liken, for example a pet, or something that's special to you, you can actually scale it down and place it in the center, like this photo, like other photos I've done the same thing. I've done it for like large photos, like large banners. I wanted something from that banner, I could put my logo like that. So after that, what I'm going to do, we're going to file, and you're going to click on save as, and when you click on save as, this will save it. I'm going to save it to any destination. I'll just save it into documents. So in my documents, I'll name this a file called resize. After that, you want to save it as a Photoshop if you want to, and you can save it as a Photoshop. And then after, what I'm going to do, you're going to click go back into file and go back into save as again. And this time you're going to get the same resize image, but you're going to go here as save as type and save it as a JPEG, and this is a JPEG format. You can actually use PNG, but JPEG is better. If you're uploading to YouTube, I highly recommend using PNG, because sometimes the photo actually is large and hence you wouldn't be able to see it. So you can actually click save, and you can actually leave the quality up to 12. I leave my quality up to 12, and you can just click OK. And as you can see, it will be different. As you can see, the original photo will actually look different compared to the new photo. So if you open up the same photo, and please just go back into file, open, and go back to the same file. And then get at the same file. As you can see, if I actually open up the same file, that actually does look the same. As you can see, just like this is just losing on the quality. As you can see, this tells you how nice it's just been done. As you can see, if you look at my banner, I haven't done one for my banner as well. So as you can see, I've done for plenty stuff as well. So it's not like doing this alone. So you know, it's pretty easy to do. As you can see, if you guys found this was an easy tutorial, hope you guys really subscribe and like, and thank you guys. I'm out. Here's HelpSmart Ninja, and I'm out.